The next concept is group multiplication table of ammonia. The next concept is group multiplication table of ammonia. The symmetry elements present in the ammonia are E, C3, sigma V1, sigma V2 and sigma V3. The symmetry elements present in the ammonia are E, C3, sigma V1, sigma V2 and sigma V3. Further, the C3 is classified into two types. The C3 is classified into two types. The first one is C3 plus, second one is C3 minus. C3 plus means rotation to 120 degree in clockwise direction is called C3 plus. Rotation to 120 degree in clockwise direction is called C3 plus, whereas rotation to 120 degree in anti-clockwise direction is called C3 minus. Rotation to 120 degree in anti-clockwise direction is called C3 minus. First I will take this original molecule, is also called as E element. E means doing nothing is called E, identity element. Then if you carry out C3 plus operation, C3 plus means rotation to 120 degree in clockwise direction is called C3 plus. Therefore, this third hydrogen atom will shift here. The first one will come here. To second hydrogen atom will shift here. We'll get this molecule. We'll get this molecule after C3 plus operation. Similarly, I will take this original ammonia molecule. I will do C3 minus. C3 minus means rotation to 120 degree in anti-clockwise direction, in this direction. Clockwise means in this direction, anti-clockwise direction means this one. Therefore, the first hydrogen atom will shift here, the third hydrogen atom will come here, second hydrogen atom will shift here. We'll get this molecule. We'll get this molecule. I will get this molecule after C3 minus operation. Then sigma V1. Sigma V means the ammonia contains vertical plane. Sigma V1 means the plane is passing through the first hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom. In this case, this is called plane. This is an imaginary plane passing through the first hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom. This bisect a molecule into two equal halves. The first half is NH2, the second half is NH3. The first half is NH2, the second half is NH3. These are mirror images of each other. Therefore, these atoms will interchange. This third hydrogen atom and second hydrogen atom will interchange. We'll get this molecule. These molecules will get after the sigma V1 operation. We'll get this molecule after sigma V1 operation. The fourth one is sigma V2. The fourth one is sigma V2. The plane is passing through the second hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom. Bisect a molecule into two equal halves. Bisect a molecule into two equal halves. The first half is NH1, the second half is NH3. These are mirror images of each other. Therefore, these two hydrogen atoms will interchange. The first hydrogen atom and third hydrogen atom will interchange. Will get this molecule. This plane is constant. Therefore, this plane is constant. This third hydrogen atom and first hydrogen atom will interchange. The first hydrogen atom will come here, the third hydrogen atom will shift here. We will get this molecule. After sigma V2 operation, we will get this molecule. The last one is sigma V3. The last one is sigma V3. The plane is passing through the third hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom. Bisect a molecule into two equal halves. The plane is passing through the third hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom. Bisect a molecule into two equal halves. The first half is NH1, the second half is NH2. These are mirror images of each other. These NH1 and NH2 are mirror images of each other. Therefore, these two hydrogen atoms will interchange. This plane is constant. this first hydrogen atom will shift here, the second hydrogen atom will shift here. We'll get this molecule. We'll get this molecule after sigma v3 operation. We'll get this molecule after sigma v3 operation. Next, group multiplication table of ammonia means we should multiply each symmetry element with another symmetry element. Write the possible symmetry elements present in the ammonia, that is E, C3 plus, C3 minus, sigma V1, sigma V2 and sigma V3. Here also you write same thing, that is E, C3 plus, C3 minus, sigma V1, sigma V2 and sigma V3. Multiply this symmetry element with other symmetry elements present in the ammonia. Means E into E, E into C3 plus, E into C3 minus, E into sigma V1, E into sigma V2, E into sigma V3. Like this you have to multiply each symmetry element with the other symmetry elements present in the ammonia molecule. The first one is here E. The first one, consider E. E into E, that is E into E means doing nothing into doing nothing. We'll get E only. Therefore, you'll get E only. Next, E into C3 plus means again you'll get same this only, C3 plus only. E into C3 minus means you'll get same C3 minus. E into sigma V1 means sigma V1 only. E into sigma V2 means sigma V2. E into sigma V3 means sigma V3 only. That is E into E into C3 plus, C3 plus, E into C3 minus, C3 minus, E into sigma V1, sigma V1, E into sigma V2, sigma V2, E into sigma V3, sigma V3 only. Next, the second one is C3 plus. The second one is C3 plus means C3 plus into E means we will get same C3 plus only. C3 plus into doing nothing is equal to C3 plus. Next, the second one is here C3 plus into C3 plus means here C3 plus into C3 plus. This C3 plus into C3 plus right here C3 plus into C3 plus. Then should sorry the operation carried out from right to left. The operation carried out from right to left. Here C3 plus into C3 plus, right, like this C3 plus into C3 plus. Here right side is C3 plus. C3 plus means we know that C3 plus, I already told, this is C3 plus. Starting only I told C3 plus means this molecule. Then this is C3 plus. Then again should do C3 plus operation. C3 plus means this molecule. C3 plus means this molecule. For this molecule you have to do C3 plus operation. This C3 plus operation. C3 plus means rotation to 120 degree in clockwise direction. Rotation to 120 degree in clockwise direction. Then all the atoms will interchange. This second hydrogen atom will come here, and this third hydrogen atom will shift here. Again this first hydrogen atom will come here. We'll get this molecule. This molecule is nothing but compare this molecule with starting I don't know this here 5 different operations. That is this molecule is something but C3 minus. See here this molecule is something but this only, this molecule only. Hence C3 in C3 plus into C3 plus you will get C3 minus right here. C3 plus into C3 plus means C3 minus. The second one is C3 plus into C3 minus, that is C3 plus into this C3 minus. C3 plus into C3 minus. First C3 minus means this molecule. Starting I told C3 minus C here. C3 minus means this molecule. Write this molecule. Write this molecule. For this molecule, you have to do C3 plus operation. C3 plus operation. C3 plus means rotation to 120 degree. Rotation to 120 degree. Then all the atoms will interchange. This atom will shift here. This will come here, and this will shift here. This molecule is something what E. The original molecule. Original molecule means identity element. See molecule. This only first molecule only E. Means C3 plus into C3 minus will get E only. C3 plus into C3 minus will get E only. Next, the third one is C3 plus into sigma V1. See, C3 plus into sigma V1. C3 plus into sigma V1. C3 plus into sigma V1. Sigma V1 means this molecule. Sigma, write this molecule here. Sigma V1. Sigma V1. For this molecule, we have to do C3 plus operation. C3 plus operation. C3 plus means rotation to 120 degree clockwise direction. Then all the atoms will interchange. We will get this molecule. This molecule is nothing but sigma V3. How? See here. Sigma V3 means this molecule only. Starting I told 5 different operations. This molecule is nothing but sigma V3. Sigma V3. Similarly, C3 plus into sigma V2, that is C3 plus into sigma V2. C3 plus into sigma V2 means first you write sigma V2. Sigma V2 means this molecule. Sigma V2 means this molecule. For this molecule, you have to do C3 plus operation. C3 plus operation. C3 plus operation. Then you will get this molecule. This molecule means sigma V1. How? See here. Starting I told sigma V1. Sigma V1. Sigma V1. Then the last one is C3 plus into sigma V3. C3 plus into sigma V3 is nothing but sigma V2. You do operation, you will get